Gary from Tucson, Arizona has a question about cooling his garage.
He wonders what his neighbors are doing.
I have no idea.
It's something to do with their garage. Gary writes, our detached garage is insulated. Our large garage door, on the other hand, is not.
Mm-hmm.
Would it make sense to put a couple vents, he wonders, in the garage door, one on the high side and one on the low side? He says a couple of neighbors are doing that with theirs. What say you?
Well, you can't, Arizona's hot. Here in Houston, it's hot. And venting just makes the air move a little bit more. So venting, fans, things like that will help. Insulation, we get through this all the time, does not cool a garage or anything else. And it doesn't keep it cool unless you air condition it. And then it'll keep the heat out and help the heat transfer from getting to the inside. But as far as that goes, it won't hurt you. Does it make a ton of difference? I really doubt it if you actually did some temperature readings and stuff. Just a little vent on top of the bottom of the door, I don't think it would make much difference at all.
I just wonder that he's got the insulated garage, and if he adds venting to it, if anything, it'll let the heat escape.
Well, yeah, it's going to move some, but you're talking about a little vent with a big garage.
Well, we don't know how big a vent.
Well, if it's on the garage door, I mean, yeah, go ahead. If you want to vent it and be like your neighbors because you want to keep up with the Joneses, that's fine.
You may want to get a better vent than they have.
Why don't you do what I did and put a 1.5-ton air conditioning system in your garage?
Yeah. Yeah, step up the game.
Yeah.
Your neighbors in Tucson, they'll be going, hey, wait a minute.
Yeah, before you know it, everybody will have
That's what I'm talking about. All right, I'm talking about you sending us questions, too. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them right here. And just like these videos, and of course, you subscribe to our channel, you'll know when there are new ones put up.